All right, this is where we left off, and now I am going to talk about how we can create a new branch. And if you are already aware of, that's fine. If not, then let me tell you what branch does. Branch allow you to do the parallel development. It simply means if you are or one of your team members are working on the same code, and you would like to work on this different functionality of certain application, and would like to be independent on each other. So you just talk to each other, have a peer review on each other's code, and then you merge. You create a new branch from the main branch separately on your local system. You modify the changes and then you merge it. Right? That's how each feature or fix should live in its own branch to protect main code. Right? For us, main is the master. Okay, we are into master branch. If you have seen on my screen, you see master here. Now first thing we'll do is to check whether we have any branch created. If not, then we'll create one. I have one master branch and I should also have feature branch. Right now I have two branches. You must have one. You just create. How do you create it? You do git branch hyphen b and then say feature, suppose two. Right? Just a second. Git branch, there is something wrong here. All right, let's do this. Feature new, something is wrong. It says hyphen b, something is wrong, but that's how we do it. Oh, okay, my bad. So when you create the branch here, you do the git checkout and then hyphen b, not the git branch. So suppose if I do git checkout hyphen b, then it would not only switch to feature new branch, but it will create the feature new branch for you. Now I'll clear this out first and again do the git branch. Now I may have, I'm sorry, the spelling is wrong. Branch. Now I have three branch. I'm into feature new branch now. So let's go back to git switch. You can do if you like to switch to different branch. I'll go back to master branch. Right? Okay, so I have created, I have three branches. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add another file here just to showcase you the demo for uh, branch, demo for branch. And in the demo for branch, I'll say uh, new branch created, new branch created. Right? I'll save it. And now what I'll do here is I'll say get status. So I have one delete and one addition. So what I'll do, I'll say get uh, add. I have made changes. I'll add these changes to the staging area and I'll commit it up. That's what the usual steps you perform when you make any changes. Update it, something like that. And now what I'll do here is I'll say git merge. Since my feature new branch may not have the updated files, so let's do git merge onto the feature underscore new. Let's say what it does. It says git merge feature new is already up to date because we have cloned it from the feature. Let's try to merge it onto the different one. It's also up to date. Let's do this git switch to the feature branch, feature branch. Okay, I am now into feature branch. What I'll do is I'll say create new branch, new. We have here a different file, right? Now what I'll do, I'll say git merge feature new. or I'll say sorry, git merge master. So we are updating because it has lab 3 and master did not have lab 3 if you remember. So I'll say I'll I'm into feature branch, I'll merge it to the master. So what it did, it deleted that lab 3 file because I was working on feature branch, but I deleted that file into the master. So it merged the feature, all we had into the feature, it is now merged with the master. So now your feature branch is up to date with the master. So that's how you work even on the remote repository. Every time you try to work on the merge, we always keep the approach to have the latest code updated in the main branch, so that every other time you clone and sync new branch, you follow this thing, right? That's all for this video. You try it on your own. The challenge exercise for you now is you just create two feature branches like I did and merge both into the main branch. I merged it to the master, that the feature branch, and you also do try to do it on your own.